What's up guys, my name is Juwan and this is going to be one of the very first videos I post to my new YouTube channel, and this is going to be all about how to make a decent side hustle using Uber Eats and DoorDash using an electric scooter. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you some halfway decent results. Today is Sunday, so we're at the end of the week here, and so this is a chart. This is just for Uber Eats. And so as you can, if you look at the chart, you can see there is no chart, there's no bar at all for Monday. I didn't do anything on Monday because I was out of town. Oh, it's going dark. And so that's a pretty decent income, $432.38, and that's just on Uber Eats. So let me go ahead and pull up DoorDash for you. So DoorDash just shows like that. That's for the entire week on DoorDash. And so there's not a lot on DoorDash, but that's because Uber Eats here in my area, Atlanta, Uber Eats overwhelms DoorDash, and I don't ever get a chance to give DoorDash the chance. So how about that? Think about that. So many people, you know, they have to wait around for orders. I never have to wait around for orders, and I do everything on an electric scooter. Okay, so that's like $456, and this is just a halfway decent week, and I only average about 3 to 4 hours a day. You know, so it's not like I waste all day long doing it. And so that, you know, that's the equivalent. And you know, after taxes, after Uncle Sam takes out taxes, you know, that's the equivalent of like a $15 an hour job, you know. And so this is just a little side hustle, and this is just a halfway decent week. You know, this isn't even one of my best weeks, you know. Look, it's not a super expensive scooter. This is just a this is a Kaabo Mantis V2 Fluid Edition. Very inexpensive. For, you know, if you want a scooter that can actually make you money, this will pay for itself. I mean, if you look at, okay, so let me tell you the price of the scooter. Right now, this scooter is selling for $1,499, $1,499. And on I don't like promoting Fluid Free Ride that much because I don't like their customer service. I would say get it from Borough Motors. I'm currently total deliveries is 1,073 deliveries. So I've been kicking butt on this thing. I put more miles on this thing than some people with cars, you know. So yeah, that's what this channel is gonna be about. How to make a decent side hustle using an electric scooter for Uber Eats and DoorDash.